Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing this look using the Jaclynhill's palette volume number 2. And I know this is crazy like out there in the world, but I hope you guys are safe, and let's get right into this video. So what I'm doing is I am just taking a rounded crease brush, a small brush, as you guys could see. I'm just taking those two colors that we just placed onto the crease and just blending it out. So the next two colors I'm using are Home Body and G Money, and I'm just placing those two onto the outer crease and just blending it out. And then I'm going to be using the Ride or Diamonds shimmer. It's like a bronze shimmer color, and I'm just packing that onto the lids. For lashes, I'm using the Kiss Naked Drama lashes in the style Chiffon. I think that's how you pronounce it, but I'll have it here. For primer, I'm going to be using this primer from e.l.f. I'm pretty sure you guys already know what primer is this. Like, it's really like popular, I'm guessing, but this is my first time using it. For foundation, I'm going to be using the CoverGirl True Blend foundation. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Multi Sculpting Coverage Concealer. This concealer is one of my favorites. Like, I love to use this like every other day whenever I'm using my makeup. But I do want to try a new concealer out, just because like I want to like just experience like the new concealers. So let me know in the comments down below which ones are your guys' favorite concealers. To contour, I'm going to be using these two shades from the Silhouetted the Makeup Shack contour palette. I'm gonna be taking those two shades that we just used onto the crease, and I'm just placing that onto the bottom lashes. So I forgot about this step, but I'm just using this black gel eyeliner from esqido. I do not know how to pronounce it, but I'll have it here or down into the description box down below. But I'm just placing that onto the, just making a line. To overline my lips, I am using the Kyliecosmetics lip liner in the shade Girls Trip. So I am going to be using the lipstick from Kyliecosmetics in the shade Girls Trip. It's the same shade as the lip pencil. It comes with a lip kit. To highlight, I am going to be using the ABHX Amrezy highlighter, and I wish like Amrezy would stock this up, like have this on, like not have it on stock but have it back, because I know that she discontinued it, which I'm so sad about because it's my favorite highlighter. For setting spray, I'm going to be using this NYX setting spray. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below. But I'll see you guys next time on my next video.